Does your morning routine consist of waking up in a rush only to notice dull, tired, and lifeless skin? Build-up of dead skin cells, blackheads, oily skin, and breakouts could be to blame. Hi, I'm Seerath, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how you can look fresh and radiant in 5 minutes flat. For today's 5-minute cleanup routine, we will be using Nivea's Total Face Cleanup, and exfoliating will take you just a minute. Squeeze out a tiny amount of the product. Rub it between the fingers of both your hands and spread it all over your damp face. On your cheeks, jawline, forehead, nose, chin, and neck. Cleanse by massaging your face and neck using circular and upward motions, as this prevents sagging. Exfoliation helps get rid of dead skin cells and blackheads, unclogs pores, and eventually deep cleanses your skin. If you have normal skin, exfoliating once a week is enough, and twice a week is good for those of us with oily skin. Any good skincare routine includes an awesome face mask. This is a huge trend right now, but those in the know have been using them for years. Masking helps to hydrate the skin, promotes skin cell production, and noticeably reduces spots. So once you're done exfoliating, hang on, don't rinse this off just yet. Nivea's Total Face Cleanup can multitask as a super effective face mask as well, if left on for just 3 minutes post scrubbing. You'll see how it settles and dries up right onto your face, just like a face pack would. With kaolin, magnolia extracts, and castor oil, this face mask improves the appearance of your pores, helps to control acne, and the oil production of your skin. You'll also feel this tighten your skin pretty instantly. So this face mask is like a power nap for your skin, an indulgence that doesn't take up more than 3 minutes. So do it. Once your skin's nice and tight, rinse your face with lukewarm water. Since it's now a mask, it'll take at least a minute before it comes off entirely. Make sure you get rid of all the product residue. Post the wash, you'll notice that your skin gunk and blackheads have disappeared. Pat your face and neck dry with a napkin, and you're done with your cleanup in a fraction of the time it would have taken at a salon. You can now take a moment to enjoy how healthy and radiant your complexion looks, and how refined and soft your skin feels. This 2-in-1 product tackles 5 of our main skin concerns in 5 minutes. Use it weekly once or twice as a scrub and mask, and daily as a quick face washing cleanser for pure and clear skin. Now it wouldn't be a glamorous video without a few bonus tips. However hard it may seem, work on keeping stress at bay. It's really bad for you. Control your sugar intake. Yes, it's delicious, but really bad for your skin. If this is your morning routine, then follow up with a moisturizer and sunscreen, or just a moisturizer if it's a nightly ritual. Try and knock off 8 hours of sleep every night. There's a reason it's called beauty sleep. Like we always say, beauty begins from within, and bad lifestyle habits first show up on the skin. So choose wisely and make the right decisions. Your body and skin will thank you for it. I'm Seerath. I hope you liked this video, and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.